Okay, so looking at the changes to F7 on the left hand side here, we have some things that have changed, and then on the right we've got the exam changes. So starting at the top here, we have define and calculate an impairment loss, just to confirm that the calculation is required. We always taught that anyway. It's just clarifying that it's definitely required. Define contingent assets and liabilities and required disclosures. Again, clarification that that is examinable. That is currently on the syllabus anyway. Now what we do have then is difference between functional and presentational currency. So that's a change. That's foreign currency that will now be examined in F7. Used to be just P2. Same for these transactions. So foreign currency basically being brought on to the syllabus. Not too difficult, but it is there as a change. The next bit is this, and really again it's clarification. It's saying, look, ratios can be examined in the context of groups or in the context of a single entity. So it's just clarification of that, and that the not-for-profit and public sector organisations may be examined. Again, stuff that really was there previously but is now clarified. This one here, that's another change that will need to be dealt with. Disposal of a subsidiary was dealt with in P2 previously. It's now going to be on the F7 paper, so that will be a new calculation that we'll need to learn. Couple of deletions, not so much deletions. The not-for-profit bit is now changed in terms of where it is on the syllabus, and the extent of IFRS being relevant for not-for-profits is removed. So that's the changes to the actual syllabus. Now, a bigger change really, I think, is this, the approach to examining the syllabus. So first of all, we have a 3-hour 15-minute exam. Used to be 15 minutes reading and 3 hours to do it. You're not stipulated that you have to do the 15 minutes as reading now. It's just 3-hour 15-minute exam. Also, we have 3 sections. We have section A, 15 objective test questions, multiple choice pretty much. And then section B, 10 mark case-based questions, but they have short answers really. So again, objective test questions, multiple choice, but based on a case study rather than just a short form question. And then section C, 2 20-mark questions. And the 20-mark questions will either be ratio analysis or preparation of financial accounts for a single entity or a group. So the other one, section A and B, can cover any area. So we need to be sure that we can deal with all of that. And there's also then this point about the appropriateness of management's opinion or accounting treatment. There's a big push towards principles-based learning for you guys. So understanding the principles behind the standards will be as important as understanding the actual standards themselves. And they're just pointing that out in their approach to examining the syllabus. So slightly new structure to the exam and some additions to the syllabus. We just need to be aware that all of those changes will apply from September 16 onwards.